Are you looking for the best outdoor fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Duluth Forge Outdoor Gas Fireplace Insert. The Duluth Forge Outdoor Gas Fireplace Insert is a stylish and dependable addition to your outdoor living space. Assembled in the USA, this fireplace insert is made with high-quality materials and features a 304-grade stainless steel H-burner that produces 24,000 BTU of heat. It can operate off natural gas or liquid propane, making it versatile for any setup. The manual on-off control valve and easy start ignition with a battery-assisted piezo igniter provide convenience and ease of use. The glass media burner pan creates a beautiful bed of flames, adding a touch of elegance to your outdoor gatherings. With its slim profile, it takes up less living space while still providing an ideal flame effect. Plus, the fuel-saving design ensures that you can enjoy the flames without the need for venting or a chimney. Safety is also a priority, as the unit has been tested and certified according to ANSI Z21.97 standards. With its durable construction and 1-year limited warranty, the Duluth Forge Outdoor Gas Fireplace Insert is a reliable and economical choice for outdoor heating. What we like: stylish and elegant design, dependable ignition and control valve, fuel-saving design. Number 2. Real Flame Ideldale Round Propane Fire Pit. The Real Flame Round Fire Pit offers an impressive heat output of 50,000 BTUs, making it perfect for warming your outdoor space. You will appreciate its convenient battery-operated push-button ignition, allowing for easy and quick starts. Crafted from durable cast MgO and powder-coated steel, this fire pit is designed to withstand the elements. With adjustable flame height, you can easily customize the ambience to suit your mood, whether you want a cozy glow or a more robust flame. Plus, it comes with essential accessories like a fire bowl, stainless steel burner, and a protective cover for added convenience. What we like: high heat output, easy push-button ignition, durable construction, adjustable flame height. Number 3. Duluth Forge DF450 SSG RBLK Gas Fireplace Insert. The Duluth Forge Outdoor Fireplace offers a powerful 24,000 BTU output, providing efficient heating for your outdoor space. Its stainless steel H-burner can run on natural gas or liquid propane, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. You'll appreciate the easy manual control and battery-assisted ignition, making it simple to start your fire. Additionally, the stylish glass media burner pan not only enhances the aesthetic but also ensures a vibrant flame display while saving fuel. This fireplace is designed to be both economical and space-saving, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere without the need for venting or a chimney. What we like: powerful 24,000 BTU output, flexible fuel options, easy ignition and control, stylish glass media design, space-saving profile. Number 4. Touchstone Sideline Outdoor Electric Fireplace. The Touchstone Sideline Outdoor Electric Fireplace is designed for outdoor decorative purposes only, featuring a GFI plug that makes it safe to use outdoors, a 50-inch slim design that can fill up your outdoor wall, and a realistic flame with 15 potential settings. It can be hung on outer walls of siding, brick, stucco, or stone. This model does not provide heat, but it's perfect for porch or poolside use. What we like: safe to use outdoors with a GFI plug, 50-inch slim design that can fill up your outdoor wall, realistic flame with 15 potential settings. Number 5. Empire Carol Rose 48-inch Outdoor Fireplace. The Empire Outdoor Linear Fireplace enhances your outdoor space with its vibrant multicolor LED lighting, creating a stunning visual effect alongside the flickering flames. Made from durable stainless steel, it promises to bring a modern touch and withstand the elements for years. With a powerful 55,000 BTU propane burner, you can enjoy ample warmth while entertaining or relaxing outside. The controls are cleverly hidden beneath a tilt-up cover, ensuring they remain protected from the weather, adding to the convenience of this stylish fireplace. What we like: colorful LED lighting, durable stainless steel, high heat output, protected controls.